Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video we will be discussing about a concept called data storage or data export in Salesforce. And basically this topic will help us to understand how to export the data effectively, because every day we would be updating records, adding data day by day, and Salesforce has a hard limit for the storage, and if you want to increase they can increase, but it is very expensive. And also it is always a good practice to have your data backup at somewhere, maybe in your local storage or in some external storage, whatever the feasible way. For now I will show you how you can export the data to your local storage. So let's understand what exactly the data storage is. I think I have already created a video on the data storage already, but in this video I will show you how you can export it. So basically in Salesforce, data storage is nothing but amount of data available in our org. So when I say in our org, right, that will include all the data, like storing the records, storing the files, etc. And when it comes to the storage, there are two types of storages, keep in mind. One is data storage that we use for records and metadata, and another one is file storage, and it would be like for attachments, documents, and chatterflies. It would be like even for images as well. And there would be always some kind of data storage limit for every org. And yeah, so I will show you what kind of the data storage would be available for our org. And keeping that aside, why do we need data storage? As I said, right, there is a hard limit for storage in Salesforce. So if you want to free it up, then you need to basically delete some data, then only you can upload it, or else you need to buy additional storage, and it is a multi-tenant environment. And also let's say if you have a data backup frequently, right, even though if any unfortunate scene happens with the data, you will be having a backup data. Salesforce will also give you the data, but it is really very very expensive. So to avoid that, you need to have some idea on the data storage concept in Salesforce. Let's understand a use case scenario first. So let's say you are a Salesforce admin for a company, and the sales team is preparing for their year-end review and needs to analyze historical sales data. And your data storage is also nearing its limit, so you decide to export it, analyze, and archive the old data safely. So when I say archive old data safely, you would be storing the data somewhere. And this ensures you free up storage while keeping valuable information accessible when needed. So if you need something, then it would be somewhere in the backend. So let's understand first. Let's go to the org and then understand the storage that we have. So hands on org, and I'm gonna launch this one. So basically, let me see if I can find something here. Company information. Um, Orange. We do not have anything here, but it's okay. Storage usage. I have created a video for this already. Just explore my channel, you will be able to see. So here if you see, right, we have the limit of 5 MB for data storage and 20 MB for file storage. When you say data storage of 5 MB, it means creating the records and some metadata. If you write some Apex code or if you create a flow, whole, that metadata would be stored here. And file storage, if you upload any image, then it would be saved here, or else PDF docs, what else. And this is already covered in another video, this concept. Now let's only focus more on the data export part. So I just navigated to data export here. You can always take a data backup through Salesforce data loader or Workbench or maybe other, but it is good. I mean, there is an inbuilt native feature, so I thought of using this. Um, mm, mm, okay, I'm just going to click on export now. And if you see, you need to select this. It will include images, documents, and attachment, include Salesforce files, CRM content, document versions, and everything. And if you want to include all data, you can. If not, you can, I think you can remove it. No, it is all default included. And every data would be stored somewhere here. And yeah, I think that's it. Let's go here, start export. And also we have exported the data for now, but you can schedule and export always. Okay, let's select this. You can set up some time, and you can also select what kind of data you want to download basically. So yeah, this is how you can do it. And let's click on save. I mean, we have now scheduled you know scheduled the data export as well. And also I just wanted to give you an heads up. If you want to see the file storage that we are using, right, there is a there is something called files here. When you click on files, you can upload whatever the documents or links, whatever you have here, by clicking on here. And just you need to select. And also if you want to, let's say if you have like 10 or 20 files, if you want to export them, you can click on SQL query, and you can search for select ID from content document. So this is the object for the files. Okay, just keep in mind, and you'll get the links. And just open the links again, then the files would be downloaded automatically. And let's go here and let's search for the email. Okay. So this is how you will get an email. I just tried like few time back, and just click on this. So let's say once the data has been available, you will see this. You need to click on download. The data would be downloaded. This is how you can download the data, and just open the zip file. You will get a CSV file with all the records and their links. And I think that's it for this video, friends. And as I said, right, if you want to download the file storage, you need to pull the records from content document object, and then you need to open it. You would be it you can download from there. That's it. And yeah, I think you have learned something in the Salesforce, and it is related to Salesforce storage concepts. And yeah, um and just a thank you note. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something. And if you have any questions, right, please feel free to drop a comment. And yeah, please share this video with the people who wants to learn Salesforce. And until then, keep watching my videos and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share the video. Thank you and have a great day.